Welcome, everyone. Today, we're diving into a topic that resonates with many of us navigating the complex world of finance and investing, especially for those of us who pride ourselves on our intelligence. It's easy to think that being smart automatically translates to financial success, but the reality can be quite different. Many highly intelligent individuals face unique challenges when it comes to managing their finances. You might find yourself overthinking investment strategies, getting lost in the details, or even feeling paralyzed by the fear of making the wrong decision. It's completely normal to feel overwhelmed, especially with the vast amount of information available today. One common struggle is the tendency to seek perfection. You might spend countless hours researching stocks or investment opportunities, only to find yourself stuck in analysis paralysis. Remember, it's important to strike a balance between thorough research and taking action. Sometimes the best decision is to start small and learn as you go. Another challenge is the fear of failure. Highly intelligent people often set high standards for themselves, which can lead to anxiety about making mistakes. It's crucial to reframe your mindset, view mistakes as valuable learning experiences rather than setbacks. Every investor has faced challenges, and those experiences often lead to the most significant growth. Additionally, emotional investing can be a hurdle. You might find yourself swayed by market trends or the opinions of others, which can cloud your judgment. Developing a solid investment strategy based on your goals and risk tolerance can help you stay grounded. Trust your research and intuition, and remember that investing is a long-term journey. Lastly, don't underestimate the power of community. Engaging with others who share your interests can provide support and new perspectives. Whether it's joining a finance group, attending workshops, or simply discussing ideas with friends, collaboration can spark inspiration and help you navigate the complexities of investing. As we wrap up, I want to remind you that it's okay to face challenges in your financial journey. Embrace your intelligence, but also be kind to yourself. Growth takes time, and every step you take is a step toward a more secure financial future. Thank you for joining me today. If you found this helpful, consider following or subscribing for more insights. Let's continue this journey together.